She got me dreaming, homie. She got me dreaming, man. She Miss Perfect.
Miss Perfect, man.
She Miss Perfect. She got me dreaming, homie. She got me dreaming, man. She Miss Perfect. Man, she Miss Perfect. Man, she look good, make a nigga wish she could. By the way that we was talking, man, I never understood. If we was more than friends, so I came up with a plan. Though I thought it never worked, the relationship began. But I still ain't your man, this stuff ain't easy. Cause I'ma lie to you like nachos. Cheesy, when you puff your lips out, it's to tease me. But when we be together, every nigga wish to be me. She stay fresh like she right off the box. And every nigga jump on her when she head off the lot. And it's a lot I can say about the beauty of her face. When she walk them away, I kinda stutter what I say. She like a love train rolling on my track, man. My heart flames, but it burn like no propane. I'm in her games, but I'm only on the bench, man. And it's a shame, cause I never wanna quit playing. She got me open like a bite from a cobra. Her venom make me weak until her love kill me over. She stick to me like a wall in a thumbtack. And she picture perfect, you can call her Kodak. She ain't no class, but she always been my favorite subject. In the hallways is where we first met. She on my wish list, even though it ain't near Christmas. Man, she Miss Perfect. She got me dreaming, homie. She got me dreaming, man. She Miss Perfect. Man, she Miss Perfect. She got me dreaming, homie. She got me dreaming, man. She Miss Perfect. Man, she Miss Perfect.
Everything about her perfect, everything about her cool. Where she walk down the hall, make a nigga wanna drool. And she deserve everything from top flights to prom queen. Cause she always shine with no spotlight. Initials KB. When I'm trapped, she the one that can save me. The one I call my lady. But on the other hand, she like kryptonite to me. Come around me, get too close, and my heart get super weak. And you the type of chick niggas only see in a dream. Cause you a ride or die, and I know you ain't for the green. At least that's what you told me, and I guess that's what I believe. Cause you was here when I was broke, so I know you in it for me. And she always keep it real, I call her my Miss 100. She always gon' keep it stunting, she never back down from nothing. So, why we let the hourglass pass us when we could've been together more than we both imagined? Damn it. So now, I guess we both learned the lesson. You was waiting on me when I was just scared of rejection. Better now than for never. Didn't pack an umbrella, we made it through stormy weather. I knew from the start we was destined to be together. I wanted this forever, even though our hard times, you always just made it better. Man, she's so worth it. Ooh, my Miss Perfect.
She got me dreaming, homie. She got me dreaming, man.